a serval, an elusive African wildcat, and the grassland's ultimate sonic spy. These hunters search for prey using their oversized ears to tune in to every sound. In a landscape where it's impossible to see far, relative to its size, the serval has the largest ears of any cat, allowing them to map their world through sound. And there's one tiny noise deep beneath the grass that they're tuned into above all others. The footsteps of striped mice. Their satellite dish ears can move independently, thanks to 10 muscles in each, giving perfect surround sound. But to really dial into their prey, rather surprisingly, the serval sits down. While most cats stalk, their hearing is so good they can hunt with their eyes closed. They can detect the footsteps of a mouse from more than 10 feet away and may remain motionless for up to 15 minutes, patiently waiting for their prey to make the slightest noise. Once locked on, the serval faces one more challenge: how to make a move without being heard. And to do this, they get airborne. Leaping up to 6 feet high, they can strike with pinpoint accuracy.